In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a document in Constant Contact. Whether you're sending out a newsletter, a promotional email, or just keeping in touch with your subscribers, sometimes you'll want to include a document for your readers to download. This could be anything from a detailed report to a free guide or even an event flyer. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly how to do it. First things first, you'll want to start by creating or editing an email within Constant Contact. At this stage, you either create a new email campaign or open up an existing one that you've already been working on. This sets the stage for adding your document, ensuring that everything is seamlessly integrated into your design. Next, you'll need to add a button block to your email. This is the component where your document link will reside, becoming a prominent feature for your recipients to click on. To do this, simply drag and drop a button block into your email template. You can position it anywhere you feel it fits best, maybe right under your introductory text or nestled between other elements of your email. Wherever you decide, make sure it's easy to find. Once you've placed your button, click on it to open the editing menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll make the necessary adjustments to link your document. From this menu, locate the link icon, which resembles a chain link. Click on it, and a drop-down list will appear. From here, you'll want to choose Document. Now comes the decision point. If you're working with a document that's already saved in your Constant Contact library, you can easily select it from the list. Just find the desired document and click to choose it. But if you're introducing a new document to your library, you will click on Upload New Document. After selecting this option, you'll see a prompt that says, Browse your computer to upload. Click on it and navigate through your files to locate the document you wish to upload. Once you've found it, select it. This will upload the document to your Constant Contact library and prepare it for use in your email. With the document selected, all that remains is to click Insert. This adds it as a clickable link to the button you've placed in your email. Your recipients will now be able to click the button and access the document, making it a smooth and professional way to share additional resources or information. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively attach a document in Constant Contact, enhancing your email communication with valuable, accessible content. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.